Welcome to our channel, where we help you get ready for your U.S. citizenship journey. In this video, you'll watch a full U.S. citizenship interview, including the personal information questions, English reading and writing tests, and the full civics test with updated questions. This is a real-style mock interview, based on actual USCIS officer questions. So you'll know exactly what to expect at your own interview. Whether you're applying soon or helping a family member, this video is your step-by-step guide to prepare with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss an important update. Let's begin.
Tamara Mensah.
Yes, that's me.
Good morning, Ms. Mensah. I'm Officer Walker. I'll conduct your naturalization interview today. Please follow me.
Sure, thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
A little nervous, but ready.
Don't worry. Just answer truthfully. You will be fine. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Let's start by going over your application. May I see your green card, passport, and any other documents you brought today?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you ready to begin your interview?
Yes, officer.
Okay. Do you have any physical disability or mental impairment that prevents you from understanding the naturalization test?
No.
I will now place you under oath. Would you please stand and raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You may put your hand down.
Thank you.
Do you understand what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what taking an oath means?
Yes. It means making a truthful promise.
If you do not understand a question, please ask me to repeat it.
Okay.
Did you have any trouble finding the building today?
No, it was easy.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I believe in the democratic system and I want to vote.
What makes you eligible to become a U.S. citizen?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for more than 3 years.
Do you feel prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No.
Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application.
Okay.
How long did it take you to get here today?
About 25 minutes.
How did you get here?
My husband drove me.
Where is he now?
He is waiting outside.
Before we begin, how long have you been waiting today?
About 30 minutes.
I apologize for the wait.
No worries.
Let's start with your personal information. What is your current address?
2907 Cypress Lane, Apartment 5, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27609.
How long have you lived there?
3 years.
Before that?
I lived with my sister at 1120 Maple Street, Charlotte, North Carolina from 2015 to 2021.
Do you live with anyone currently?
Yes, with my husband and my 2 stepchildren.
Please provide names and ages.
My husband is Daniel Mensah, 48. My stepdaughter is Naomi Mensah, 12, and my stepson is Kofi Mensah, 10.
Are your stepchildren U.S. citizens?
Yes, both were born in North Carolina.
What is your full legal name?
My full name is Amara Nyarko Mensah.
Have you ever used other names, nicknames, or variations of your name?
Yes, sometimes I use A and Mensah in professional correspondence.
Please spell your last name.
M-E-N-S-A-H.
Where were you born?
Accra, Ghana.
When were you born?
April 14th, 1985.
What is your current occupation?
I run a small catering business, Taste of Accra, in Raleigh.
When did you start this business?
March 2019.
What is the address of your business?
1101 Hillsborough Street, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27603.
Do you have employees?
Yes, for part-time employees.
Have you ever had workplace disputes?
Yes, in 2020, one employee claimed unpaid wages. I reviewed payroll records, and it was a misunderstanding. We resolved it amicably.
Have you ever received government assistance or unemployment benefits?
Yes, briefly in 2017 while relocating to North Carolina.
Have you ever been sued by a customer or vendor?
Yes, in 2019 a supplier claimed breach of contract. We resolved it through mediation.
Have you ever committed fraud or misrepresentation in business?
No. All transactions have been fully documented and legal.
Have you ever faced issues with your business license or taxes?
Yes, in 2021 I had a minor accounting error in my business tax filing. I reported it to the IRS and paid the owed amount plus interest.
Have you ever been involved in financial misconduct like embezzlement or tax evasion?
No, never.
Have you ever filed bankruptcy or face financial challenges?
No, but in 2021 I had to take a small business loan due to COVID-19 disruptions.
Have you traveled outside the U.S. since becoming a permanent resident?
Yes, 3 times.
Tell me about the longest stay.
From June 1st, 2020 to January 15th, 2021, I stayed in Ghana to care for my ill mother.
That is over 6 months. Did you maintain U.S. ties?
Yes, I paid rent for my Raleigh apartment, kept my bank accounts active, and my business continued operating remotely.
Have you ever had to prove continuous U.S. residency after a long stay abroad?
Yes, I provided lease agreements, utility bills, business records, and bank statements to USCIS.
Have you ever faced ethical dilemmas in business?
Yes, a supplier offered a kickback to prioritize orders. I refused and terminated the contract.
Have you ever applied for a re-entry permit?
Yes, in May 2020.
Did you face challenges managing your business while abroad?
Yes, shipping delays and employees scheduling conflicts required daily coordination.
Did you intend to abandon U.S. residence when you were outside the U.S.?
No, I always intended to return.
Did you keep your family in the United States during that time?
Yes, my husband and stepchildren stayed in Raleigh.
Have you ever faced challenges balancing cultural expectations from your home country with U.S. law?
Yes, certain relatives expected me to follow traditional practices that conflicted with U.S. business laws. I always complied with U.S. law.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate illegally to the United States?
No.
I have only helped relatives legally, such as assisting a cousin with a student visa application.
Have you ever engaged in illegal gambling or illicit activities?
No.
Have you ever committed a crime for which you were not caught?
No, never.
Have you ever been asked by family or friends to bend the law?
Yes, a relative asked me to hire a friend without proper work authorization. I refused and advised legal employment options.
Have you ever experienced workplace harassment or misconduct?
Yes, in 2019, a supplier tried to pressure me unethically. I reported it and ended the business relationship.
Have you ever served in a foreign military or militia?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in a civil lawsuit?
Yes, in 2020, an employee claimed unpaid wages. I presented payroll records in small claims court, and the judge ruled in my favor.
Have you ever discriminated against anyone based on race, religion, or nationality?
No, I treat everyone equally.
Have you ever experienced discrimination?
Yes, once a customer challenged my staff based on nationality. I addressed it professionally and reported the incident.
Have you ever lied to a U.S. immigration official or provided false documents?
No, never.
Have you ever misrepresented information to a government agency for benefits?
No, I always provide truthful documentation.
Have you ever persecuted anyone due to political beliefs, religion, or nationality?
No, never.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 20 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 12 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me, and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer, I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. The American Revolution had many important events. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
When did all women get the right to vote?
After World War I.
Some states have more representatives than other states. Why?
Because of the state's population.
How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution?
Amendments.
Name two important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution.
Equality. Liberty.
How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have?
27.
Name the three branches of government.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one.
U.S. diplomat.
When did all men get the right to vote?
After the Civil War.
The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government?
Executive branch.
Why did the United States enter the Korean War?
To stop the spread of communism.
What does the President's cabinet do?
Advises the President.
Name one power of the President.
Vetoes bills.
What U.S. war ended slavery?
The Civil War.
Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one.
Fought for civil rights.
What group of people was taken and sold as slaves?
Africans.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
People of their state.
The executive branch has many parts. Name one.
The President.
Dwight Eisenhower is famous for many things. Name one.
34th President of the United States.
What are 3 rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of speech. Freedom of religion. Freedom of assembly.
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
American Indians.
What is Memorial Day?
A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service.
Who vetoes bills?
The President.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now I will continue to review your N-400 application. Have you ever convicted of any crime?
No, officer.
What is the meaning of convicted?
Found guilty of a crime under the law.
Have you ever sold, provided or transported weapons, or assisted any person in selling, providing, or transporting weapons, which you knew or believed would be used against another person?
Never.
Have you ever advocated, or involved in, or in any way associated with the establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship?
No, I haven't.
What is dictatorship?
A dictatorship is an autocratic form of government.
Have you ever advocated, or involved in, or in any way associated with sabotage?
Never.
What is sabotage?
Intentionally damage or destroy something.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No, never.
What is public benefit?
Support from the government, such as food stamps.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in causing harm or suffering to any person, because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
Never.
What is national origin?
The nation where a person was born.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government officials, to gain entry or admission into the United States, or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in intentionally and severely injuring, or trying to injure any person?
No, officer.
Have you ever been placed in removal, rescission, or deportation proceedings?
Never.
What is rescission?
Canceling a visa to stay in the United States.
Were you involved with any assault?
No, never.
What is assault?
To attack violently.
Have you ever registered to vote, or voted, in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with kidnapping, assassination, or hijacking, or sabotage of an airplane, ship, vehicle, or other mode of transportation?
No, officer.
What is assassination?
Killing someone famous or important.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party, anywhere in the world?
No, never.
What is totalitarian party?
A group that believes the government should control everything that people do.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No, officer.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in torture?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in genocide?
Never.
What is genocide?
To kill a whole race.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen, in writing or any other way?
No.
What is the meaning of have you ever?
Anywhere in the world, at any time.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted or participated in any military or police unit?
No, never.
Have you ever advocated, or involved in, or in any way, associated with overthrow the government of the United States, by force, or violence, or any other unconstitutional means?
No, I haven't.
What is overthrow of a government?
To remove a government by force.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No, never.
What is immigration benefit?
Things like a visa, green card, or citizenship.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive, with intent to harm another person, or cause damage to property?
No, officer.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in not letting someone practice their religion?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in killing, or trying to kill any person?
No, never.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization, that used a weapon against any person, or threatened to do so?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military-type training?
No, I haven't.
What is weapon training?
To learn how to use a gun.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No, officer.
What are overdue taxes?
Didn't pay taxes on time.
Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold, or smuggled any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia in violation of any law or regulation of a U.S. state, the United States, or a foreign country?
Never.
What are narcotics?
Illegal drugs, such as heroin or cocaine.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense, for which you were not arrested?
No, never.
What is offense?
Minor crime.
Have you ever failed to support your dependents or to pay alimony?
Never.
What is pay alimony?
Give money to an ex-spouse after a divorce, as per court order.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I understand.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer, I'm willing to.
What is work of national importance?
Tasks that are important to a nation.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, officer, I'm willing to.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, officer, I'm willing to.
What are non-combat services?
Services that do not involve combat.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No, officer.
Now, let's move on to the reading and writing portions. You need to get at least one sentence correct in each part to pass. For the reading portion, please look at the screen and read this sentence out loud for me. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
Who is on the dollar bill?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. President Washington is on the dollar bill. Perfect. You've passed the reading and writing tests as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Mensah. We have now completed your interview, including personal information, travel history, employment, legal matters, and moral character questions. Have you reviewed your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
I understand I must follow U.S. laws, pay taxes, and contribute to my community.
Excellent. Can you confirm that all the information you provided today is truthful and complete?
Yes, I confirm everything is true.
Before we conclude, do you have any questions about the naturalization process?
Yes, I would like to understand the final steps after this interview.
After this review, USCIS will process your file and schedule your oath of allegiance ceremony, if everything is in order.
Okay.
Based on your answers and review of your moral character, your application is recommended for approval. USCIS will notify you of the date, time, and location of your oath ceremony. At the ceremony, you will raise your right hand. Take the oath of allegiance. Receive your certificate of naturalization. Congratulations. After taking the oath, you will officially become a U.S. citizen.
Thank you very much. I am grateful for your guidance and the opportunity to complete this process.
You're welcome. USCIS will contact you soon regarding your ceremony. You may leave now.
Thank you, officer.